Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean DeBlay, and today we're gonna just go over, well, it's gonna be a whole video, but we're gonna go over what I'm gonna install on the WRX and get ready for the dyno, because it's supposed to be tuned Monday, which right now it's pushing well, today's Thursday, but I'm not going to start on the stuff until tomorrow. So what we got going on is we got the Perrin turbo inlet hose. So I just got this stuff in. A lot of this stuff came in real late. So the plan is to prep the car before it gets put on the dyno. So I have to install this. I have to do the headers. I have to roll my rear fenders. All before Sunday, because I have to drop off the car on Sunday. So I'm pretty busy this week. I'm not going to be able to do it all myself, unfortunately. So what I'm going to have done is Boost Division's doing my headers for me, and I'm going to do this, roll my fenders, and I have to do my S2000 suspension. Pretty hectic right now because I got school going on right now. I'm a full-time grad student, so I got that stuff going on, plus having to deal with this, and I still got my home life. So stay tuned. This will be one fluent video, so I'm showing you this, and then the next shot will be, we should be at Boost Division. So see you in a second. Yo, what's up guys? So it's the next day. Like I said, this is gonna be like one fluent video showing the process of getting my headers and stuff installed. I'm on my way to Boost Division now, so we should be there in the next few minutes. Once we get there, I'll go over what parts you need to do the header install. I just ran out of time. Everything was special order and came in like the last minute, so I'm trying to get it done in the next 2 days, which I'm pretty busy. I've got my project to do with school. I'm in grad school right now, so I got my report due, I got all this stuff due, and I'm not going to be at the house tomorrow, so I'm pretty much crunch time right now. And then Sunday, I'm going to be able to roll the fenders and do two other things with Patrick. He's going to come over and help me out. And then my tune's on Monday, so this thing's about to be a beast. And everything will be pretty much done with the WRX for a few shows that are coming up. And then I'll shift focus to the Honda. So, like I said, we're rolling up on Boost Division now. And once I pull up, I'll go through exactly what we're doing today. So, see you in a second. All right, so we just got the Boost Division. So before we go inside, I'm gonna just show you the stuff I have in the car. When you switch out your headers on the FA20 motor, the J pipe's connected right where the turbo and everything is pretty much connected in that one spot. So the turbo is connected obviously to the J pipe. The turbo's also connected to where the header is. So all of that stuff needs to be unbolted. So I got new gaskets for both. So the plate for the J pipe and the plate for the header. So it's good to always like swap this stuff out. If you're keeping your stock turbo, this is the Grimspeed, it's like a block off plate thing that you need. And all it is it turns off the internal wastegate on the stock turbo. So you need that. It's like, I don't know, 30 or 40 bucks. So you need that, and then these are just new bolts just in case they need it if the threads get messed up for the where the J pipe is. So like I said, you need that if you're gonna do the factory turbo, and that turns off the internal, or shuts off the internal wastegates. the Killer B headers are gonna have 2 externals, so I'll show you that once we get inside. All right, let's head in there now. All right, it's long. I don't leave my car with a lot of people, so I trust Boost Division. So far, they've done pretty good work, so we'll roll up in here. Yeah. All right. So, like I said, we're in Boost Division right now. It's my boy John. He's a man for ordering parts. So, Killer B header with the external wastegates, and then 2 teal wastegates. I think they're 28 mil. Yep. So there they are right there. So, like I said, if you're ordering this, you need the backing plates. You need the block off plate for the stock turbo, which I ordered, and then you're good to go on this.
You know how it was like spring compressed?
We're doing this.
And the springs on the side?
Turbo inlet hose.
Push it down, right?
We got to roll the rear fenders and get everything set by Sunday for the tune on Monday.
And the rubber seal would like go
good to go.
And not go into the tank.
And that is it. Looks good.
Like jam it down.
Welds are good.
Pretty
good stuff.
Go like this and match the seal and it around, bro. My finger hurts.
And that's what comes in the bag.
It took like 20 minutes to get in. Finally, it was like.
All right, that's it. Leaving her in good hands. My buddy Jeff picked me up. Hey.
Vlogging me?
Hey.
What's going on, man?
Alright, so that's all she wrote. The car should be done by the end of today, and when we get it back, we gotta roll the fenders, do the turbo inlet hose, and then fully detail it, and then it's gonna go on the dyno on Monday, and once it's off the dyno, then it'll be ready for the show, you know, in like 5 days. So it's pretty hectic right now, getting that car ready and then getting the Honda ready too, because I'm going to work on the Honda on Sunday. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and continue to follow the build. Peace out. See, until next time.